4 families who lived in a tenement at 35 to 37 Greenwich Street, St. Andrew, are homeless after fire flattened their homes last evening. No lives were lost, but the victims say already it's a struggle for them to even find a temporary shelter. Kirk Wright has their story.
A woman combing through the rubble, optimistic she'll find a wedding ring for a fire-victim Claudia Davis, who was to get married in mere months. Miss Davis says those plans have been shelved as she's now focused on finding shelter for her family.
It's indescribable. I don't know how to explain what's going on. I'm lost, confused, and everything.
She says she was outside her tenement watching her boys ride their bicycle when tragedy struck.
I saw smoke at the back of the house, so I ran inside to see what was going on, and I realized that the house next door was on fire. So we started to get water and hose to see if we can save this from catching, because you know, board struck down and so forth. But we were too late because the fire already catch the wires that was connected to the hose.
Anthony, who is also a victim, was not at home when the fire razed his house. He says it's not the kind of surprise phone call he was hoping to get on his birthday.
My face God, I tell you. I know I'm going to get back to reality yet, because I just can't believe that my house really burned now.
Rikayla Scott says she and her friends managed to save a few items of furniture and was trying to hurry the firemen along to prevent further damage to the remaining items.
So we have to hurry up before it catch the building, and everybody in the yard house got flat. So them start, spread the water and the fire die out, and me I say, look, if the things them when I drag out of the door burn, or look, they practically burn up same myself.
The more than 10 people who have been left homeless are asking for the help of Jamaicans to find shelter. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
And it's time for another break here in Primetime News, but stay with us. More local stories when you return.